Hello guys, welcome to my channel Born to Tech. In this video I am gonna show you how to download Pubg Mobile global version with no VPN. So keep watching my video without any skips and follow my steps. So let's get started. First of all, we need a application link to download Pubg Mobile. So first I will copy the link from my notes. So this is the link. I will give this link to my channel in description box. Open the browser. You can also use any other browser like Google Chrome and Opera Mini, Firefox, etc. Just paste the link here like this and wait and click on this skip ad. Still wait few moments. Okay, so this is the application. Click on this blue option and download this app. So guys, this download, it will be some take to finish the download, so I'm skip the moment to complete download. Okay, so it's almost done. Now click on install button here. Click on install. So do not do any other operation until the complete the installation process. Still wait here. So this application has been installed, so we will open from here. So guys, this is the application. I will provide this application link to my description box. You can find from there. Now click on search button, top right corner. So now click the search box and type here Pubg Mobile. So this is the main application. This is global version. It is the global version. So guys, you can download from here. Just click on the button download. Now allow the permission, and that's it. It's downloading. So after downloading, you can install the game from here and just press open button. So I hope you like the video. So please click on like, subscribe and share button. Thank you.